Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COOP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Monday, so that is where some of these different colored lines are coming from. The big and really kind of opening update here is in regards to that trend line that I put into place on Tuesday's video, and you can see this morning the price broke down below it. Right down there, at the open. Try to get back up above it, but a classic example of this former area of support, then turning into an area of resistance and rolling the price back downwards. So that trend line has played its role. The price broke below it, and the rest is kind of history at this point. So we'll get that out of there for now. And also with that breakdown, it did indeed go down to right around $9.30. However, now that we have more data with today in the books, it seems as though the more so accurate level of support is down around this area right here at $9.25. Give or take a little bit. So keep an eye on 925 going forward. If 925 does not hold up, then at that point, yeah, it's looking like the price would at least, at a minimum be going back down to the 915 mark. But to be fair and to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. $9.25 is that initial area of support. In the event the price starts to bounce back upwards, actually, let me just get rid of that line. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant anymore. But with any sort of upwards bounces off this area of support, the most straightforward way to currently kind of just gauge the overall, health of things is in regards to that purple line there, meaning as long as the price is down below that purple line, things are looking a little bit shaky as far as the bull's health is concerned, because that implies that the overall chart is still currently in the downwards, drift and downwards movement. So keep an eye on that, and you can just see through the quick history of things. It's not necessarily that the price has a hard time getting up above the purple line, but it's really staying up above it where the price struggles, because multiple times in the past, even right there, the price has gotten up above the purple line, but staying above it is a whole nother ball game. So keep an eye on that. But as of right now, top priority, and at least in my opinion, isn't necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's more so just trying to stabilize and making sure, that these levels down here at 925 and 915 can hold up. But we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.